We often come across people who find it difficult to differentiate between saving and investing. The terms savings and investing are not the same. However, some people use them interchangeably in an improper way. For the sake of using the correct financial terms, today's post will be directed towards understanding the two words and how important it is for us to use them correctly. Both saving and investing are essential for financial independence. Without taking more time, let us dive into understanding their differences. Please, keep in mind that the two terms are equally important. The concept of saving. It is easy to understand what saving means because, in most homes, this term is practically used. We watch our parents set aside a portion of their monthly paycheck for future use. Therefore, that portion of their current income not spent is being saved for emergencies. In other words, it is the money being accumulated to be spent in the future. Before you can save money, you must subtract the money for expenditure, and the leftover is what you save. If you want to build wealth, saving is an essential aspect of it. Wealth building is a process, and it begins with knowing how to save a portion of your income. Money to be saved can be deposited in banks, or it can be hidden somewhere in the form of cash. However, it should be easily accessible in case of emergency. Money saved can easily be retrieved when a need arises without risk. In life, people save for many reasons. There is no single reason for saving money. Your reason for saving money may differ from your friend's reason for saving money. People differ, and so do our reasons. Notwithstanding, the following are some of the common reasons why people save money. Understanding why people save money. Number 1. It brings peace of mind. Have you ever been stranded, and you need urgent money to take care of the situation? I guess you understand what I am trying to say. Once in a while, you must have found yourself in this situation, and you don't know what to do. However, if you had a certain amount of money saved up somewhere, it will have given you peace of mind and courage to face the situation. Number 2. It helps you to achieve your goal. The goals being referred to here are short-term goals. If you have a short-term goal to achieve, you can save and accumulate your money. For instance, if you want to get a birthday present for your kids in a few months, you can save towards the achievement of your goal. Number 3. It gives you a better future. There are several things that we desire in life, but we find them difficult to own. However, if you can save a little of what you earn consistently, you can enjoy a better future. When you save, it will be easy for you to pay for whatever your kids need for college. Number 4. It saves you from unfortunate events. These events are not planned for, and they happen when we least expect them. That is why we need to be prepared for them. Your savings can help you from being in a tight spot regarding money usage. Saving consistently isn't always easy. It demands discipline, and you need to track your expenses. As important as saving money is, it does not provide financial independence. This brings us to the next term, investing. But before we proceed, please like, share, and comment on this video. The term investing. Investing is the process of taking a calculated risk and allocating your money or assets into something that in the near future, it will bring you more value or profit than it presently does. For instance, some people purchase real estate with the plan to sell in 10 years. They are doing this because they expect that the present value of real estate will multiply in the future. Please note, when investing, you think long-term and not short-term. You must be ready to let go of your present enjoyment for the future. Here are some of the reasons people invest. Number 1. Wealth building. You can only build wealth when you invest in profitable deals. Your money cannot grow if all you do is continuous savings. Several investment options will offer you long-term returns if you are ready to put your money to work. Number 2. A secured retirement. As you are working presently, you need to understand that you will not work forever. What are your plans for retirement? It will help if you can put your retirement savings into stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. It all depends on your most preferred investment option. Number 3. Achievement of financial goals. We all have financial goals, which can easily be reached through investments. We earn higher when we invest because instead of working for the money will work for us. The return from investments is usually high. Therefore, if you have the chance to invest, don't hesitate. Carry out detailed research and diversify your portfolio to help you manage risk. Number 4. Income diversification. This is one of the best ways to create more than two sources of income. For instance, you can be earning from your 9-to-5 jobs while still enjoying the money that comes from your real estate investment. In addition to this, you can also decide to start a profitable business with the returns from investment. Finally, there is a significant difference between saving and investing. Saving is for the fulfillment of short-term goals, while investing is aimed toward realizing long-term goals. It will be of utmost benefit if you keep in mind that saving your money cannot grant you a secured future, but investing will give you that. If you want to improve your personal finance, take a bold step and start investing. If you enjoyed this piece, please like, share, and comment in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.